Good morning, children. Today we start with chapter 2, Parts of the Body. Today we will understand about the different parts of a human body, the sense organs, and the functions of each part of the body. Children, in class 2, we all studied about my body and that it can be divided into two organs, external organs and internal organs. Let's revise the few examples of external and internal organs. External organs examples: eyes, lips, legs, nose, ears. Internal organs: brain, heart, stomach, lungs. Internal organs are the organs which are inside our body. External organs are the organs which are outside our body. Our body is a wonderful living machine. It can see, hear, smell, taste, and feel. It can also move, grow, breathe, and reproduce. Our body is made up of many small parts called cells. Cells are the building blocks of the body. Cells are of different kinds. Cells of the same kind join together to make a tissue. Tissues join together to make an organ. When many organs form together, they are called organ system. And these or different organ systems work together to make it possible for the body to play, grow, and do many other things. Children, these are the sense organs that you can see. Our sense organs help us to see the world around us. The main sense organs are eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and the skin. All these sense organs are connected to the brain through nerves. The sense organs send messages to the brain. The brain makes us understand pictures, sound, smell, taste, and feelings. Now let's study about each of the sense organ. Eyes. Our eyes help us to see the world around us. We see different colors, objects with our eyes. They help us to enjoy the beauty of nature and recognize things. Ears. The ears help us to hear different sounds around us. We can identify different things with their sound, even if we cannot see them. Nose. The nose helps us to smell different things like the fragrance of flowers and aroma of eatables. We also breathe through our nose. Tongue. We taste food with our tongue. There are many taste buds on the tongue which helps us to identify different tastes such as sweet, sour, bitter, and salty. The tongue also helps us to speak. Skin. Skin is the largest organ of our body. We feel things with our skin. With the touch of things, you can tell whether the thing is hot, cold, rough, or smooth. Therefore, children, it is very important to take care of every part of the body. All parts are equally important and they work in coordination to function smoothly. It is very important to take proper care of each part of the body. Did you know the eyelids act as a shutter of the camera, thus protecting the eyes? Children, do you know there are some people who cannot see, hear, speak, and walk like everyone else. They are called differently abled people. There are special schools for such people where they are taught to lead a normal life. Children, do you see this picture? If you see properly, you will see that every sign has an alphabet written on it from A to Z. This language is called sign language. It is used by people who cannot hear or speak. They learn to communicate through sign language. They are also taught to lip read so they can understand what other people are saying. Children, do you see a picture over here? This is called Braille script. Braille script is used by people who cannot see. They learn to read using Braille script. The Braille script is a set of raised dots in a set of pattern that can be felt with a finger. People who cannot see can feel the raised letters with their fingers and then identify and read. Each set of dots is a character in an alphabet, numbers, and some punctuations. There are people who cannot walk properly. Such people take the help of various walking aids like wheelchair, crutches, and walking sticks. Children, in old age, our sense organs weakens. You must have noticed that your grandparents or some elderly people are not able to walk for long, or they take the help of walking sticks. Why? Because in old age, our body becomes weak and frail. You should be very sensitive towards your elders in the family and society. Now let's revise. Things to remember. Our body is made up of small parts called cells. Sense organs help us to connect to the world around us. Differently abled people are people who cannot see, hear, speak, or walk like everyone else. People who cannot talk or hear use sign language to communicate. We should be sensitive towards different abled people and old people. Your homework for today is read the chapter again and do book exercise on page number 13 and 14.